on, focus. Let's walk a bit further down. I don't know how many times it's going to go. I'm pretty sure this is a real call. Okay, sounds like it's winding down now. So 3 blasts by the sound of it. Yeah, that's winding down now. Still spinning. God, my hand's really shaky. Trying to keep still the best I can. There it goes, it stopped. Wow. So I was just walking down the road and I could hear that somewhere down there the fire alarm has just gone off in a building, and well, I suddenly realised, hang on a minute, there's a fire alarm going off, the fire station's right here, the siren might be about to go. And I was just getting the camera out of my bag and it started. So that's a complete fluke, complete luck. Yeah, here we come. So yeah, like I say, so I heard the fire alarm going off in a building down the road, and I kind of just suddenly realised, oh, the siren's probably about to go off at the fire station. Maybe I should get my camera out and record it. And no sooner had I thought that, I was just getting the camera out the bag and it started. Incredible. So here it is, Carterton Fire Station. And the siren is actually mounted just on a standard metal pole. It's a standard CSP Arclight columns pole. It's the same type of poles that they use for like lamp posts and all that. So there we go, and that's it.